called nesting, and it's a different trend for couples with kids who are getting a divorce. But does it work?
Here to explain what nesting is and discuss some of the possible effects is family law attorney Peter Walzer. So let's start. Thank you, first of all, for being here.
Thank you for inviting me.
Of course.
And
so let's start by explaining what it is.
Well, nesting is when a couple is separating or divorcing, and they're trying to figure out what to do with their children. Should they be in separate homes and move the kids back and forth? But some people make an arrangement where they're going to keep the kids in the house and the parents are going to go back and forth. And this can be a great thing for the kids and a great thing for the parents.
Wow. So is it, I know that we've heard nesting in different ways, but is this sort of nesting new?
Well, it's been publicized a lot. When Gwenyth Paltrow came out and said, we're going to do unconscious coupling, people started thinking maybe there's a different way to work things out. We don't have to fight. Maybe we can work on an agreement. And when Ben Affleck and Jennifer Garner got divorced or separated, they also came up with an arrangement that benefited the children.
Okay, so what are some of the legal concerns couples doing this should look out for?
So in California, this moves up the date of separation, and that's when the parties divide their money. And it can be very costly if the parties have not been advised by counsel. There also can be tax considerations that could be dramatic if they don't do it right.
Wow. Okay, so let's talk about some of the financial effects that it could also have.
Okay, so people say this is only for the rich, but maybe not. Maybe this could work for people of lesser means because they want to keep the house. They don't want to sell the house. There are tax benefits to it. So they can move in and out and both share the benefits of the house. So this is an arrangement that works very well for both wealthy people, and it can work for less wealthy people who can't afford to get separate homes.
So we have seen it on TV. Is it practical for regular folks?
You know, it depends. If they were not getting along anyways, why are they going to get along after the separation? So for most people, they don't want to have anything to do with their ex. So I don't see a lot of it. But for the people that put the kids first, I think it can work.
Right.
Wow.
And it does save money because you have one less rent to pay, right?
Exactly.
Or
I
two.
mean, it can be a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
But people got to work together. And most of our friends who are getting divorced, they're not working together, right?
Right.
So.
Okay. Thanks so much. Peter Walzer.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us. And for more information, you can go to walzermelcher.com.